Palo Alto Networks is one of the leading cybersecurity companies in the world, but how does it compare with its competitors in the industry? In this video, we will look at some of the key metrics and features that differentiate Palo Alto Networks from other players in the market, such as CrowdStrike, Fortinet, and NVIDIA. First, let's look at the revenue and growth of these companies. According to MarketBeat, Palo Alto Networks had a revenue of $4.25 billion in 2022, which was a 24.6% increase from the previous year. CrowdStrike had a revenue of $1.36 billion in 2022, which was a 70.4% increase from the previous year. Fortinet had a revenue of $3.11 billion in 2022, which was a 20.4% increase from the previous year. NVIDIA had a revenue of $26.68 billion in 2022, which was a 53.4% increase from the previous year. As you can see, all four companies had impressive revenue growth in 2022, but CrowdStrike and NVIDIA had the highest growth rates among them. However, NVIDIA is not a pure-play cybersecurity company, as it also has other segments such as gaming, data center and automotive. Therefore, we will focus on the other three companies for the rest of this video. Next, let's look at the market share and customer base of these companies. According to Gartner, Palo Alto Networks was the leader in the network firewall market in 2020, with a 15.4% market share and over 80,000 customers worldwide. CrowdStrike was the leader in the endpoint protection platform market in 2020, with a 17.6% market share and over 11,000 customers worldwide. Fortinet was the second largest vendor in the network firewall market in 2020, with a 12.8% market share and over 500,000 customers worldwide. As you can see, Palo Alto Networks and Fortinet have a strong presence in the network firewall market, while CrowdStrike has a strong presence in the endpoint protection platform market. However, these markets are not mutually exclusive, as these companies also offer other products and services that cover different aspects of cybersecurity, such as cloud security, threat intelligence, identity and access management, and security operations. Finally, let's look at some of the unique features and advantages that these companies have over their competitors. Palo Alto Networks has a comprehensive portfolio of products and services that span across networks, clouds, and endpoints. It also has a platform approach that integrates its offerings with each other and with third-party solutions through its application framework and Cortex XDR platforms. It also has a strong focus on innovation and research and development, as it invests over 20% of its revenue in R&D annually. CrowdStrike has a cloud-native architecture that enables it to deliver fast and scalable endpoint protection without requiring any hardware or software installation on the customer's devices. It also has a proprietary artificial intelligence engine called Falcon that analyzes billions of events per day to detect and prevent threats across endpoints, workloads, and containers. It also has a crowdsourced approach that leverages its large customer base to collect and share threat intelligence across its platform. Fortinet has a high-performance and cost-effective hardware and software solution that delivers integrated security across networks, endpoints, and clouds. It also has a proprietary operating system called FortiOS that powers its products and enables centralized management and automation across its portfolio. It also has a strong presence in emerging markets such as Asia-Pacific and Latin America, where it has gained significant market share and customer loyalty. As you can see, each of these companies has its own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to competing in the cybersecurity industry. However, they all share a common goal: to protect their customers from cyber attacks and enable them to operate securely in the digital world. Palo Alto Networks is one of the leading cybersecurity companies in the world, offering a range of solutions for network security, cloud security, and threat detection and response. But what makes this company stand out from its competitors, and what are its future prospects? Let's take a look at some of the factors that could drive Palo Alto Networks' growth in the coming years. First of all, Palo Alto Networks is benefiting from the increasing demand for cloud security, as more and more businesses migrate their data and applications to the cloud. According to a report by Markets and Markets, the global cloud security market size is expected to grow from $34.5 billion in 2020 to $68.5 billion by 2025, at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 14.7%. Palo Alto Networks has a strong presence in this market with its Prisma Cloud platform, which provides comprehensive visibility and protection for cloud workloads, containers, applications, and data. In the fourth quarter of fiscal 2021, Palo Alto Networks reported that its annualized recurring revenue, ARR, from its next-generation security, NGS, offerings, which include Prisma Cloud, grew 81% year-over-year to $1.18 billion. Secondly, Palo Alto Networks is capitalizing on the trend towards consolidation in the cybersecurity industry, as it acquires and integrates innovative companies that complement its existing portfolio and expand its addressable market. In the past year, Palo Alto Networks has acquired several companies, such as Expanse, Bridgecrew, the Crypsys Group, and CloudGenix, that have enhanced its capabilities in areas such as attack surface management, cloud security posture management, digital forensics and incident response, and software-defined wide area network, SD-WAN. These acquisitions have also helped Palo Alto Networks cross-sell and upsell its products and services to its existing and new customers. Thirdly, Palo Alto Networks is investing in AI-driven innovation that could give it an edge over its rivals and create new opportunities for growth. For example, Palo Alto Networks has launched Cortex Spanse AI, an AI-powered solution that automatically discovers and secures internet-connected assets across an organization's network. Cortex Spanse AI leverages machine learning and natural language processing to identify and classify assets, assess their risk level, and provide remediation recommendations. Palo Alto Networks has also partnered with Google Cloud to deliver advanced security analytics using AI and machine learning. The partnership will enable customers to use Google Cloud's Chronicle security analytics platform with Palo Alto Networks' Cortex XDR solution to detect and respond to threats faster and more efficiently. These are some of the reasons why we believe that Palo Alto Networks has a bright future ahead of it. The company has recently joined the prestigious S&P 500 index, reflecting its strong financial performance and market position. With its diversified product portfolio, strategic acquisitions, and AI-driven innovation, Palo Alto Networks is well-positioned to capture the growing opportunities in the cybersecurity market and deliver value to its shareholders.